This aroma humidifier has water capacity of 130 milliliters, so measure the water and fill it, otherwise it has also got a max level indicator inside. On first start, the filter needs to be kept in water for few seconds to make it wet. This is Aroma Essential Oil for the fragrance. 2 drops of essential oil is enough. This aroma humidifier has got sensor switch for its operation. It has RGB decorative lights also. When switch is pressed, once the RGB lights turn off and second time pressed, then the humidifier will turn off.